Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay payroll taxes in QuickBooks, or how you can make payroll taxes payment in QuickBooks very easily. Right, so this is very easy, and let me show you. Let's go back here. So this is my QuickBooks, and here you have to log in into this account. Right, so on the top right you will get option, whichever account you have made, you can just go here. So here, go to the taxes and select payroll taxes. Right, so the very first thing here, let's take the QuickBooks Online, and you have to log in into this. You can't log in without having a purchasing plan, so you have to use an email ID or phone number to get into this. And once you have signed in, you have to go to the taxes and select payroll, select payment. You will see a list of taxes due now. Under action later, taxes due later will show in coming up. Now you have to select pay on the taxes you want to pay. Make sure the bank account is in the correct payroll account in the QuickBook. Right, now review the payment date and select the different date if needed. Funds will be directly withdrawn from your bank account 2 business days before the payment date. Right, you must approve e-payment before 5 p.m. PT, 2 business days before the payment date. To review your payment history, select payment history. Now you will able to get each and everything. Now here I have listed for you some of the important information. You can just go through here. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.